Welcome friends to Literature Mantra. I am Harsh Singh, and in this video we will discuss how to revise for DU's MA entrance exam. Now, insofar as the dates are concerned, मतलब जो date sheet के हिसाब से है, then the English entrance means MA English entrance of Delhi University is on 17th of October. Just see here, as per the date sheet, 17th October को है, and with respect to the other dates, ये अलग subjects के लिए है. And if you haven't seen this date sheet yet, then just go straight to the website of NTA. वहाँ पे मिल जाएगा आपको. Now after that, how should you revise? Now that there are around 20 days left, so how should you revise? और आपने DU का सिलेबस तो देखा ही होगा. इट इज़ क्वाइट वास्ट, सो फोकस ऑन की एरियाज. अब 20 दिन में हर चीज़ डिटेल में तो नहीं कर सकते, सो जस्ट फोकस ऑन की एरियाज फ्रॉम विच क्वेश्चंस आर आस्क्ड एवरी ईयर. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, पहला तो फर्स्ट एंड द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट इज शेक्सपियर, और लेट्स से शेक्सपियरियन एरा एंड स्पेशली द वर्क्स ऑफ शेक्सपियर. उससे हमेशा ही क्वेश्चन आता है, हमेशा क्वेश्चन आता है. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज शेक्सपियर्स फेस्टिव कॉमेडी? आफ्टर दैट, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग हैव सिनिकल एंड मेलोड्रामेटिक प्लॉट? So basically, these are questions directly on Shakespearean plays and Shakespeare. Now, one more question. Which among Shakespeare's history plays are commonly believed to make up Henriade? After that, awards. मतलब Nobel Prize Award, Booker Awards, इस पे भी कुछ questions आते हैं. So my suggestion would be do prepare on this as well. Now look at this question. Name the only dramatist who was awarded both the Nobel Prize and the Oscar. Then another question which came, who won the Nobel Prize for Literature in 2020? Now after that, history of English literature. See, history of English literature is quite vast. तो उसमें आप फोकस करना 20th century literature and beyond, means modern era literature, means modernism वाला. After that, post modern era literature and also contemporary writers. उस पे भी questions आते हैं. And when I say you should focus on these periods or eras, I mean just focus on the important writers. For example, अगर modernism की बात करें, then focus on T.S. Eliot, James Joyce, Virginia Woolf, and likewise for post-modern era literature. And also contemporary writers say, V.S. Naipaul, Salman Rushdie, and Salman Rushdie is particularly famous for magic realism. Magic realism पे हमेशा क्वेश्चन आता ही आता है. पिछले 2-3 साल के क्वेश्चन उठा के देखो, and you'll realize that magic realism कहीं ना कहीं कुछ मेंशन किया हुआ है. Now after that, language and comprehension. See, a lot of students were asking how should you prepare for language and comprehension. See, इसमें focus on two things. First, speed of reading, and second, comprehending on what you have read. Means comprehending what you have read or trying to understand what you have read, because ultimately you have to answer questions. So just reading speed से नहीं होता, you have to also understand what you are reading. So just try to develop these two things. First, तो reading speed आप बढ़ाने की कोशिश करो, and for that simple thing, pick a literary essay, और let's say जो critical essays दिए रहते हैं किताब के पीछे, या let's say introduction अच्छा सा दिया हुआ है, just read that. The purpose of it is that the complexity of the words and the complexity of the phrases should be equivalent to what Delhi University asks. कहने का मतलब ये है. And also one more thing, what you should do is reread the previous years' questions, especially for comprehension part, क्योंकि उसमें काफी सारे comprehension दिए हुए हैं और extract दिए हुए हैं. So just get the question papers from the internet, from the websites. 2017 से देख लो, 2017, 18, 19, 20 and 21. 4-5 साल के आपको ऐसे मिल जाएंगे. Just reread those extracts and try to answer those questions which are there. Now after that, लिटरेरी थियोरी. सी, लिटरेरी थियोरी के लिए बहुत टाइम तो बचा नहीं है, सो ट्राई नॉट टू गो इन टू मच डिटेल, एंड स्पेशली यू शुड प्रैक्टिस विद क्वेश्चंस. एंड फॉर दिस आई विल से दैट इफ यू डोंट ऑलरेडी हैव एनी क्वेश्चन बैंक, देन जस्ट बाय अ रिलायबल क्वेश्चन बैंक फ्रॉम द मार्केट. कोई भी एनी रिलायबल क्वेश्चन बैंक, स्पेशली फॉर लिटरेरी थियोरी एंड क्रिटिसिज्म, और उससे आप प्रैक्टिस करो. यू कैन ऑल्सो ज्वाइन आवर टेस्ट सीरीज इन विच 10 full mock tests are there, and also sectional quizzes are there along with questions on literary theory, so you can practice with that. So there are separate answer PDFs, so you can revise using the answer PDFs and practice using the questions. अगर आप questions कर सको, अदरवाइज माई रिकमेंडेशन वुड बी जस्ट गो थ्रू द आंसर की अलॉन्ग विद द क्वेश्चन, सो एटलीस्ट यू विल अंडरस्टैंड कि किस चीज का क्या आंसर है. सो ये बहुत अच्छा तरीका तो रिकमेंड मैं नहीं कर रहा हूँ, बट व्हेन एग्जाम डेट इज नियर, व्हाट यू शुड डू इज रिवाइज एज मच एज यू कैन. थोड़ा बहुत प्रैक्टिस कर लो जस्ट टू इंक्रीज योर स्पीड, एंड रिवाइज मोर, रिवाइज योर नोट्स, उस पर ध्यान देना, बिकॉज अल्टीमेटली इन एन एग्जाम सिचुएशन यू हैव टू ऑर्गेनाइज योर थॉट्स, रिकलेक्ट योर थॉट्स टू आंसर क्वेश्चंस. सो it's not just about reading more and more books, it's also about retaining that information and recalling that information during the exam. And if you want to join our test series, then the link to our website is given in the description below. Just check. And see, with respect to literary theory, just understand the basic or fundamentals of each theory. For example, new formalism, structuralism, deconstruction, Marxism, feminism, just understand the fundamentals or basics. And if you see the previous year's questions of Delhi University, most of the questions are quite easy. So even if you know the broad outline, you can answer those questions. Most of the questions are quite easy from literary theory. ज़्यादा मुश्किल नहीं आता, मुश्किल 2-3 ही होते हैं. So even if you can't do the difficult ones, at least do the easy ones. And of course, one more thing, make sure that you read the instructions before the start of the examination. And this is something with respect to negative marking, because in CUET PG जो कि हुआ था कुछ दिन पहले, there was negative marking. Now whether DU also gives you negative marking or not this time, just make sure you read the instructions. If there are negative marking, don't mark all the questions if you don't know them. Of course, if there is no negative marking, सबके सारे के सारे मार के आना, सारे के सारे टिक करके आना, सब सारा का सारा आंसर करके आना, एक भी मत छोड़ना. And if you want a more interactive session, just share a copy of the admit card or application form which you have filled for Delhi University along with your email ID. Just WhatsApp us on this number 7678160296. Now what we will do in this live session is that every day I will conduct a class privately on YouTube and try to discuss the main issues from all the subsections. For example, अगर आप syllabus देखो, then there's something on medieval poetry, then early modern poetry, then Shakespeare. After that 17th century poetry, मतलब after the Jacobean era या Jacobean era and Milton's era, ये वाला है. And likewise all the other sections. So if you are interested in this live session, then just WhatsApp us your admit card or a copy of your application form along with your email ID, because to access the live class, or let's say to join the live class, your email ID is required. And this live session would be totally free for everybody, so you don't have to pay anything. So with this, I wish you all the best. Prepare well, revise well, and take care of your health, because sometimes what happens is students fall ill before the exam. वो सब मत करना. Try to be healthy and just be confident. If you have prepared, you will clear it. Don't worry.